Understanding the type code for the DKC drive controller. DKC01.3-200-7-FW. DKC is the series identifier. The installed option card is denoted by 01. This option card has RS-232, RS-485, analog, parallel, and stepper interfaces. The 3 denotes the generation of the DKC. 200 denotes the DKC's rated current of 200 amps. 7 denotes the DC bus nominal voltage of 700 volts. FW denotes factory installed default firmware. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all DKC sales and replacements.